Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to set the clock on a Honda Insight. First, make sure your vehicle is safely in park and the engine's power mode is completely on. This ensures all systems are ready for adjustment. Then, find the menu/clock button, usually located near your audio display. This button is key to accessing the time settings. Now, let's adjust the hour. Press and hold that menu/clock button for a few seconds until you see the time display start to blink. This indicates you're in adjustment mode. Once it's flashing, simply rotate the selector knob, which is often the larger central knob, to change the hour. Turn it clockwise to advance the hour or counterclockwise to go back. With the hour set, it's time for the minutes. Press the menu/clock button again, just a quick press this time. You'll notice the minute display will now begin to flash, indicating it's ready for your input. Use the same selector knob to rotate and adjust the minutes until they match the current time perfectly. Take your time to get it just right. To finalize your clock setting, press the menu/clock button one final time. This action saves your adjustments, and the time display will stop flashing, confirming that your new time is set. It's a simple process, taking just a few moments to ensure your Honda Insight's clock is perfectly accurate for all your journeys. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.